Hello guys, for today's vlog, we're going to have an unboxing. This is the GUB Plus 11. It is a phone holder. You can use it on your bike or motorcycle. So open natin siya guys. So what is inside the box is the phone holder itself, the tools that you're going to use on the installation, and the paperwork. So this is the phone holder. 60mm to 100mm yung kaya niyang width. So most probably lahat ng device kayang accommodate nitong phone holder na to. So what I like about this phone holder is you can tilt it depending on the angle that you want, and at the same time you can rotate it mapa portrait or landscape. And as you can see, may torque measurement siya. So mas maganda kung gagamit ka ng torque wrench dito. And sa package may kasama siyang shim, dalawang shim yon. So check mo na lang kung ano yung magagamit mo, kung saan mo siya i-attach. May kasama na rin siyang Allen key. And yung transparent rubber in case na bitin yung shim na gagamitin mo. So let's proceed with the installation. First thing to do is check mo kung anong shim yung kailangan mong gamitin. And check mo na rin kung gagamitin mo yung transparent rubber if in case na bitin yung shim. Then after that, clamp mo na. Then screw mo na yung phone holder. And make sure na secure siya. Then after that, pwede na natin ikabit yung phone.